Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to buy bags on the American Airlines app. Now this is a very quick and easy thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any steps. So the first thing you want to do is actually open up the American Airlines app. And once you've done that, it should look something like this. Now from here you should be able to see this little menu at the bottom where it says flight status, find trip and also book flights. Now what we're going to want to do is drag that menu up, and once you do that it will bring open all of these options, and from there you want to click flight status and you should be able to see the flight that you are going to be going on soon. And from there you'll be able to see your boarding pass and a few other details, and you just want to look for an option that says bags or track my bags, and when you get to that section it should look something like this, and from here you'll be able to add and remove bags as you like on the American Airlines app. So that's exactly how you can buy bags on the American Airlines app. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.